Paula, and I came here for therapy to get back on my feet after hip surgery. I saw the doctor at 2 weeks, and then I didn't see him till 12, and by 12 I could hardly walk. And that's why he recommended coming here, and I'm so glad I did, because basically I was 6 weeks behind in my healing process because I didn't have therapy. But I'm glad I came here, and now I feel much better and I feel human again. I am able to walk now. I am able to go golfing now. I can do more household chores. I can read, and I feel better. People here really care about your well-being and make sure that you're on the right track to get recovery. And I would come back here again if I have to. I've had excellent care, and I feel so much better than I did a month and a half ago. If you are having problems after hip surgery, I would call McDonald's Therapy and set up a session and see if you do need therapy to get back on your feet, because I should have had therapy sooner than I did, and I